Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to send messages on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to send messages on your TikTok, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after landing over here, you can see the friends button available over here, or the profile button. Let's go to the profile and tap on your profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from over here you can see your every followers who have followed you and your friends over here. Now to send a message, either you need to be a direct friend of that user on TikTok, or they must have enabled the direct message on TikTok. If they have not yet enabled direct messages on their TikTok, you will not be able to send messages to them. For example, I have sent these personnel some message. You can see the message button. Let's tap on message, and you can see the hello over here. Because they have enabled the direct messages system, we are able to message them by going to their profile. Over here you can see the message button. But if they have not yet enabled the direct messages button on their TikTok, and we will not be able to send them messages on their TikTok account. Let's go to the following, and let's find somebody who are not following us but we are following them. For example, you can see the Dixita, this one. We can also send our messages. There is the message button. Let's tap on message, and let's say hello to her. And there is the exclamation sign, and you can see, guys, messages cannot be since this user isn't following you. And there, guys, if the person whom you want to send messages is following you on TikTok, you will be able to send messages to them. Or if they have enabled direct messages on their TikTok, you will be able to send them messages, like by going to their profile and tapping on messages like this. And then, right, this is how you will be able to send messages on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.